Hey everyone, this is a 2020 Mercedes Sprinter. Just thought I'd make this quick video just showing you how to fill your AdBlue if you need to. So this is your AdBlue here at the front. This is where you fill your oil, your coolant and your brake fluid. So in order to open this AdBlue, what you have to do is this cap here, you lift this up and you turn this. Now in here there's a special tool. I'll put up a picture now, and that's the part number. It goes in here and it actually grips the cap, and then you can open it in order to fill your AdBlue. Now normally in most circumstances, if you buy this new, you have the tool located in your passenger's area, so in your passenger's footwell, just in this section here where your tools are kept. So you want to rotate these little clips to the horizontal position, so then they open. Reach here and just open this. When you open this, that's where your AdBlue tool is kept, and these are your other tools that are kept around here. Your jack and all of that is kept on that side, but we're just worried about the AdBlue for the moment. So you can go ahead and take your AdBlue tool, bring it here and just put it there, and that's how you open the cap. It's designed this way so that you don't accidentally fill diesel or anything incorrect into it, and that's how you top it up there. Always follow your instruction manual and pay attention to any dashboard warning lights, because if you don't have this topped up properly, what will happen is the engine will go into limp mode and you will not get full power out of the Mercedes Sprinter. So that's something to always keep in mind. You're finished using it, put the tool back in there and tighten it with the tool, and then go ahead and slot that back in there. Don't forget to put this back in. So put this back in its little holder there. And for anyone who's curious, the tools are located here. So this is in your driver's side. So this is the driver's side of the van. The hydraulic jack is now located here. So I hope this video was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching everyone. See ya.